Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link Mailchimp to your WordPress website. First, you will need to choose a reliable Mailchimp integration plugin. There are several excellent options available, many of which are free or offer premium features. Once you have made your selection, simply install and activate it directly from your WordPress dashboard. Always ensure the plugin is compatible with your current WordPress version for smooth operation. Next, you will connect your WordPress site to Mailchimp using an API key. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to your API keys section, usually found under your profile settings. Generate a new key if you do not have one, then copy it. Return to your WordPress dashboard, find your plugin settings, and paste the API key into the designated field. This key acts as a secure bridge between the two platforms. Now it is time to create and embed your sign-up forms. Within your WordPress plugin, you can design custom forms that match your website's aesthetic. You will also select which Mailchimp audience or list new subscribers will join. Once your form is ready, you can easily embed it onto any WordPress page, post, or even a sidebar widget using a simple shortcode or block. This makes collecting emails straightforward. Finally, it is crucial to test your new Mailchimp integration. Fill out your forms yourself to ensure they are working perfectly and that new subscribers are being added to your chosen Mailchimp audience. Once confirmed, consider setting up automation. Mailchimp offers powerful tools, such as welcome email sequences, which can automatically engage new subscribers. This helps you build a strong connection from the very first interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.